Two quick things to show you about Google Slides. First of all, Google Slides has added a new feature. When you click on any text box, you will notice a little pop-up menu on the side. This is to control the flow of text inside the text box. You can make it so that it does not do anything, or you can shrink the text if it starts to overflow the box, or you can reshape the box to fit the size of the text. You can also ignore that and just click and drag the way you normally would, but that box is going to pop up next to every text box. If you have a default and you want it just to always be the same, you can go under Tools and Preferences, click the Custom Auto Fit Preferences, and tell it what you would like for it to do, and hopefully that will work out for you as you add new text boxes. It's a new feature, and new features sometimes roll out a little slowly in terms of working exactly the right way, but I just want you to know they're there. The next thing I want you to know when it comes to Google Slides is that many of you are creating activities for your students for distance learning or even in-house learning, and you may be having them fill in a worksheet or some other activity where you have to create a text box for them to write the answer. And so you draw a text box and you put a little border around it, but you want some sort of information there, and so you type in, put your answer here, so that they have a prompt that this is where they're going to work. So when they get there and they want to type their answer, first they have to click in, then they have to delete what you've put in, and then they can type. There is a shortcut, and here it is. Find a new slide that just has a small text box. I like the one-column text. This text box right here has a 12-point font already set to go. Just copy that text box. Now I can go to any slide, paste that text box. The prompt is there. I size it the way I want. Because I brought it to a different slide, it went to 18-point font, but I can leave it the size that I want. Now when my student comes along to type, they don't have to delete anything. When they click in, they can just start typing. So that's a nice way to prompt your students, but also a nice shortcut. All they have to do is click and type. So two new things for you to know with Google Slides.